Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today, I got some stuff. I did. I went to go get a sandwich, and I decided, while I was out getting my Sammy, that I wanted to stop in, do a little shopping. We hit an estate sale today, and then we went over to some of my favorite places, and I got bags. So, let's just start with this one. We'll start with this big one, because it's a big bag. Let's start with it and get it out of the way, okay? Oh, okay. Got all that. Let's get all of this out of here. All right, let's take a look. So this is from Me and My Big Ideas, and this one is the Girl Talk Scrapbook Kit. There's just a couple of pieces of paper left in this one. Other than that, it's pretty much empty. And that's okay, because I actually have more of that kit. Then this is the Me and My Big Ideas Power Pages, 16-inch instant scrapbook pages. These are cool. You just put the photos on them. You know, they're like all pre-done. So those are pretty cool. That'll be in my shop, most definitely. And then we have this. Pages you can create from this scrapbook kit. And this is a scrapbooking kit. So it's just some papers and things. No great shakes, guys. You know, it's just some stuff. Oh, well, those are kind of cool. Okay, so there's some really cool stuff here in the back. There's like some tags and things in the back of this. So I'll have to go through that and take a look. And then I found some smaller bags. So let's see what we got. This one wasn't even in the section where they usually keep this stuff. This one here was like kind of in the back. And I just had to, you know, because, well, it's got Vegas on it, you know. When I do pocket letters and swaps and stuff, so sometimes like that, there's a Vegas theme, and I just never have enough Vegas stuff, so I grabbed that. And this one is Mexican. It's all about Mexico. And then there was this one, which is like winter. These are enamels, epoxy stickers. So you get good game deal. You get some the winning pair, some dice, things like that. And I thought that was kind of cool, so I grabbed that. And then I saw this one, and I was kind of a little happy when I saw this one. I'll show you why here in a sec. We'll get this out. So last year, I did those big Halloween kits, and those are the same borders that I used. Apparently they're from Recollections, and they're border stickers, and I think they're really cool. So I got those. I don't have anything for Halloween this year. So, and then I have this one, which is just like a adhesive border strip. And then there's paper border, kind of cute. And then there's this. This is gorgeous. And then this one, and then there's this one together, happy. They're just little borders. And then there's this one, which I thought was cute. I like the color on that, so I grabbed that. And then I saw this, and I had to do it. I had to. Only because I gotta get this out of here. This one does not want to come out because of what's on the other side of this. So this again is Me and My Big Ideas. It's a multi-pack, and this is Summer Girls, and this one sort of goes with that Girl Talk kit. But you can see it's like 3 sheets of stickers. They had that one, and then this is just the paper. That was all that was left of it. But I was okay with it because here's some more stickers, and there's some more stickers. These are Girl Scout stickers. And then there's these Sweet Dreams. They're a little over the moon, but this is the one I wanted. This stuff, bonus. This is what I wanted. I dare you to call me cute. Does it look like I care? Attitude. I don't do windows or floors, the dishes, the closet, the bathroom, the cooking, the trash, basically anything involving manual labor. Bad hair day, teenage property, no trespassing, and parental advisory, because I know everything. So I grabbed that. I thought it was cute as all get out. And then I found these in one of my stores. This is Graphic 45, and this is the Mother Goose collection. You have spot on the other side of this one is the red spots. So you have your bedtime stories, Mary Had a Little Lamb, and all that stuff. And I have a fly. And then this one, which is Ring Around the Rosies. It's got flowers, and then on the other side it's got like this really pretty wallpaper. And then you got Humpty Dumpty, and on the other side of Humpty Dumpty you have the green dots. So I got... All right, so the other thing that I got was this iris case, and I really bought this for the iris case. Hi, Harry. And it's just full of stuff, and it's full of these pages here that, you know, like can fit in a binder, and they have all these little pockets, and the pockets have room for you to put stuff in, and I've got a couple of these in here. And then I've also got you know, some like punch outs and pieces. And here's that other one. There's another one in here that's got some stuff in it. And there was also this in the package, and this has got a big pocket on one side that's got all kinds of Halloween stuff in it, and it's got Halloween stuff and Halloween style paper inside here. And then it's got another pocket over here with more ribbon, and this is called the Cropped Companion. And I actually have a case for these that they fit into. So, you know, I thought it was worth the money that I paid. More than enough, more than the money was paid was worth this case, because I take these, and what I do with them is I put them on a shelf. You know, I kind of like stand them up on their side, and I put them on the shelf, and then I usually put a label on the front of it here that says what's in there, you know, like this is specialty paper or metallics or whatever. And then you know, sometimes I even do them by the season, and then I can stand them up and put them on a shelf, which is really cool. So that was pretty much all I got today on my Scaventure. Yeah, that's it. All right, listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until the next time, guys, bye-bye.